Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that many important information about Amhara, Afar, and Tigray region are being received. In this video, I will first inform you about the current information about the airstrike carried out by the Ethiopian Air Force on central capital Mekelle. Viewers, after that, many reports are being received about the heavy fighting in the Amhara region, which has been claimed by many Tigray Defense Force sources that Tigray Defense Force has gained control of more important areas in Amhara region. After that, I will inform you about the curfew has been imposed in more areas near Addis Ababa. Viewers, as you know, Tigray region's capital Mekelle has been hit by Ethiopian Air Force for the second time. Reports of heavy losses are being received, and the Ethiopian government has also confirmed the air strike on Mekelle. Apart from this, the Ethiopian government carried out a third air strike within hours on the Tigray region yesterday. The second strike, the third strike was in Agbe in the Temben region, some 80 km west of the regional capital Mekelle. Whereas government spokesperson Ligese Tulu said that in this airstrike, Ethiopian Air Force targeting a military training center and heavy artillery depot that came after a morning airstrike in Mekelle, the third this week. Tigray television said the attack targeted the center of the city, while the Addis Ababa government said it targeted buildings where Tigrayan forces were repairing armaments. Viewers, government spokesman said that Tigray Defense Force has been adept at hiding munitions and heavy artillery in places of worship and using ordinary Tigrayans as a human shield. Two witnesses and a humanitarian sources in Mekelle informed that the morning strike appeared to have targeted Mesfin Industrial Engineering, a factory complex which the government believes supports the Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, apart from this, according to the reports about the ongoing war in the Amhara region, heavy fighting between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force is ongoing in the outskirts of Dessie. Reports are being received that heavy fighting is currently underway in Haik and near Dessie. And now a huge number of Amhara forces and militias are being deployed around Haik so that Tigray Defense Force can be stopped from moving towards Dessie. And according to reports, Tigray Defense Force soldiers are now moving towards Dessie by Dessie Zoria as well. While several Tigray Defense Force sources are receiving reports that Tigray Defense Force has taken full control of Bitsma near Haik after heavy fighting. While heavy fighting is still going on in areas around Vichale and Haik. Viewers, on the other hand, Ethiopian government declared a curfew in the city of Debre Birhan. Because Debre Birhan is only 130 km from Addis Ababa and it is situated on A2 highway. This seems to indicate Ethiopia government is almost certain that the strategic city of Dessie will fall on Tigray Defense Force hands soon, and it is preparing for Tigray Defense Force inevitable march to Addis Ababa. According to reports, new decisions have been made by the Debre Birhan city administration. According to reports, Debre Birhan city administration has passed various decisions regarding current security issues, including our time. From October 10th, it has been decided that it will only be allowed to work between 11 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. except for patrol vehicles. And according to the mayor office, the curfew will not be between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. It has also been decided to keep a close watch on all four sides of the city and patrol for 24 hours. On the other hand, in a statement, it is said that Australia is deeply concerned at reports of airstrikes on the Tigray capital Mekelle and the escalation of conflict in northern Ethiopia. Australia condemns the ongoing fighting, use of sexual violence, and severe restrictions on humanitarian access. As the conflict nears its 1 year anniversary, it continues to have a devastating impact on the lives of civilians. Australia calls on all parties to the conflict to exercise restraint and end the violence. Humanitarian agencies must also be allowed to provide urgent life saving support to the millions of people impacted. Australia urges the Ethiopian government and the Tigray People's Liberation Front to immediately end hostilities and reach a negotiated solution for the people of Ethiopia and the country's stability. Many Australians have close ties to Ethiopia. I extend my deep sympathies to those who have family and friends affected by the conflict. So, viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.